Yo, listen. Y'all thought y'all were really cool going to the clubs, packing it out, doing this, yada, yada, yada. Yo, how about you actually give shots to deers?
That's
How
right.
about you actually give shots to squirrels?
Like what the fuck?
The
We don't got
Bears?
Travis Scott. We are real Scots, bro. Right here.
This is the real Scottish place,
Yeah, I swear,
bro.
bro. Like what? Like you don't got Travis on the fucking Scott right here.
That's why we different.
I swear. We bring the Scott into the Travis.
Exactly.
Like Scott is like inside the Travis on the Scott. You feel
We'll
me?
see you Thursday at 11 p.m.
And me 11:20.